Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. Stolen love. Full story. There is a prominent mechanic in Portmore, Jamaica, who lived in a thriving community. He lived with his wife and small kids who he loved dearly, or so it would seem. There was a rumor going around that he was giving his wife some hard bun without cheese, but people just charged it to the gay man mind their business. As I said, he is well loved and respected. Anyways, one Valentine's Day, some neighbors saw a strange light-skinned woman quickly sneaking past their yard. They thought war was about to bust. So they quickly went to their yard gate peeping to see how it would unfold. They all saw the Browning tiptoe fast go down the next end of the walkway where the mechanic, let's call him Myron, lived with his wife and kids. It also looked like she was carrying a Valentine's Day basket in her hands.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
The neighbors who were peeping saw when she swiftly crept into Myron's yard, and when she swiftly came back out running back up the pathway. The neighbors saw her coming and ducked behind the wall so that she couldn't see them. They heard the Browning foot dem a fly pass. She ran into her car and drove off with the quickness. The neighbors looked at each other, not knowing what to think. A couple of weeks later, the wife moved out of the house. A little after that, Browning moved in with the mechanic, ended up having kids for him as well, and started living the life the first wife was living. To this day, people still wonder if is a strong dose will be of the Browning drop-off at the Peopledom house on that warm Valentine's Day. Follow, like, and share for more.